Hey guys, it's Riley back here with another video, and this time we're going to be making a video on a butterfly knife. This is a semi-butterfly knife. It doesn't turn like that, this video was like it was inspired by Emmit. Keep making great videos, dude. Love your channel, and I hope you hit 10,000 subscribers soon. Okay, keep it going. This video, I didn't have some of the pieces that he had, so his turned like a real butterfly knife. Mine turns like that. Okay, then, okay, here we go. All you need is this and that and these three. If you're wondering, these are 11 long. If you want 2 blades, you get 2 of these. One of these. These keep falling. Okay. Then you're going to need 3 of these if you want a cool blade on your middle blade. Okay, so first you're just going to grab this. Grab one of these, and you see this short side? Shove that. In there. Okay guys, I'll get back to you when I got this done. When I got the piece.